Talon customer is different than just a traditional sports customer. It's a customer that's interested in performance, but likes to share that performance with family and friends. The process starts with benchmarking. We put that design and concept down on paper in the form of a drawing. And that those drawings get turned into prototype parts. We build a machine and then we test it.
Working on the Talon is very excited. We installed the bed plate, tail lights, and also the side fender covers. When I see one drive off the ramp, I feel very excited and overwhelmed knowing that me and my team built this unit.
The sport market is one that continuously evolves, so we have to change our product all the time to keep it current. We started out with a 2-passenger, and then the next year we came out with a 4-passenger. With a sport machine, you have a lot more performance. The customer drives a lot more aggressively through more challenging terrain, so you have to learn how to deal with all of that and keep the vehicle durable. A-arms got bigger, drive shafts got bigger, the frame had to get stronger. All of that went into this machine. The automotive market and the power sports market have traditionally been very male-dominated. When I started almost 20 years ago, we had 2 women in power sports. They both worked in admin roles, and I was the first female engineer.
Here at SxS, I am a team leader. When I first got this job, I never thought, by me being a woman, I would get this LA job, but I proved them wrong.
To get comments like, I couldn't believe it when I heard they hired a girl, People don't say things like that anymore. More than that, there's been a mindset change. I think the unique thing at Honda is that you can choose your own path, and it's pretty unlimited. I was the first female engineer in power sports. I was the first female sub-LPL in power sports. Now I'm the first female LPL in power sports. So from there, I want to keep climbing, and I want to make Honda's power sports division great.